So you have to do your research for the location of where you're going to provide that service or where that contract actually is as well, so that you can give a good pricing. So that way you can say, right, my price is, because you'll need to break it down, you're going to pay the carer. In order for the carer to step on site, just alone is this price. Okay, so you pay the carer £12, then you would say £12. Then there's the company's fees. Our margin, our charge rates are 60%, for example. So then that could equate to, so if you're paying someone, say £12 an hour, then there's 65. So then your £7.80 is your charge rate per hour. Then you're going to say your total charge is £19.80 per hour to put a staff member into the establishment on a temporary basis. Your hourly rate would be this, £19.80, for example. Okay? If you're sending staff members into care homes, into hospitals, for example, it all depends on the level of service again that you're providing. So if it's medium to high needs, then your price will be different than the low needs price rate that I just mentioned to you. So if you're doing medium, then you would look at your rate is the staff member is being paid, for example, 15, 16, 22 pound an hour, for example, then your rate is 65 pounds. Sorry, 65% is your rate on top of that. So if the staff member is being paid £25 an hour times 65, your rate is then £16.25 per hour, plus your staff member to step on the premises. So then your rate is then £41.25. Now, if you are providing a higher level of service, then your rate could be that you're paying the staff member £40 an hour. Okay, so then 65% of that is £26 that you're charging as a company. Your charge rate is £26 an hour, and that person is being paid the 40 an hour, for example.